Welcome back, everyone. All right, so what I'll do is if you type this out with me, we'll just go through this one by one. So we need to add in an H1 tag, and of course we need to close that off. And you can say something like H1 here. This is our awesome title! Exclamation point. All right, add a paragraph tag. Pretty simple. P. And remember, it doesn't have to be exactly like I'm doing it here, but in terms of text, but make sure it all works and says this is our awesome paragraph. Perfect. All right, and so we need to make the text in the p tag gray. So we're going to go style equals, and then you need to put color gray. And there it works. And for add a link after the p tag, so we need to go a equals, and then we can type in a link. All right. And of course, we need to type in some text. And we need to go /a. There we go. And one thing you can do here is you can just type in break, and that will break the text. Or you don't have to do that, but you can. So we need to add an image, and I'm just going to go to my website and grab an image. And I'm doing this off screen because I don't want to add in a new browser, etc. So I'm just going to go, and remember, you'll right-click, copy image URL. And so we add in an image here with no link, and so we go img src, so image source equals, and then we're going to paste that in there. And remember, the image tag does not have a closing here. Now what you can do is you can put a break here, okay? And so what we need to do is add an image with a link. So for this one, you could actually go and copy this here. And so I'm just going to paste it. And I'll just actually close this off for just a quick second here. And remember, if you want to take this here, you can just go ahead and switch that right in there. All right, and get rid of the break. All right, if we hop over here, you can see that indeed does work here. All right, so we'll just go ahead and refresh this here. All right, and now we need to add in a border to the image here, okay? And so that's actually pretty simple here. And so let's go back to the first image here. So I'm going to close this just because it's getting a little bit weird. And let's see, we got the image here, and we're going to go border. You can do the equals 2, okay? Go back to the output, and there we go. We have a nice little border around that one. All right, and then we need to create an unordered and an ordered list. So we go unordered list. Let's see, it said ordered list than unordered list, so let's do it that way. All right, and then remember we need list item. List item. Let's hop down here, and we'll just go item like this. And it said 3 items each, so we might as well put 3. And then we can copy this entire thing here, and we can just make it an unordered list. There we go. Make sure everything's working out, and look at that. All right. So the last thing we need to do is make a table with 3 by 3. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get rid of that. And what we'll do is we need to type in table. And although you don't necessarily need to do this, it's good to do. Okay, so we can go table, perfect, and of course we need table rows, right? Table row, and actually we did need a table header in that, so we'll add that later. Table row. All right, so we hop down to the bottom here, and then of course we need table data. And we'll just put in data here. Okay, and then it said we need 3 by 3. So we can see we have 3, and copy and paste that twice, and you can see we have 3 by 3. And if you want to, what we need to do is just add in the header. So it's pretty simple. We'll just go ahead and remember table header / table header. And we'll just go header like that. And of course, we can just go and post it there. All right, there you go. And it should look something like that. If it doesn't look exactly like that, that's all right, because you probably put in different things there in terms of text and stuff. But for the most part, that's all I wanted you to do. All right, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.